Home improvement scams are on the rise, and find out what DIY projects are trending in today's Home News Quick Fix. In home news, home improvement scams are on the rise, with reports of scams doubling each year between 2018 and 2020, according to Porch.com. With more than 30,000 fraud reports in 2020 and more than 100,000 since 2007, Americans have lost about $206.9 million. In 2021, the median amount lost to home improvement scams was $1,700. The most common home improvement scam? It's roofing. About 15% of all Business Bureau reports since 2015 were roofing related. In DIY trends news, the top DIY Google search in June was succulent soil, followed by cabinet refacing. So far in July, the top search is weed killer. And if you need to still kill some weeds, a homemade recipe includes vinegar, salt, and dish soap. For those who don't have vinegar on hand, drop a bit of vodka and dish soap into a spray bottle filled with water for a quick fix. Vodka also keeps mosquitoes away. I'm Theresa with My Fix It Up Life, and you've just been served your Home News Quick Fix.